Very good morning, dear children. Hope that you all are happy at your home and you all are sincerely doing your studies, isn't it? Okay, so in the previous class, we have discussed from English 2nd, chapter 4, nouns, common, proper, and collective. So let's have a quick revision of what we have learned in the previous class. हम जल्दी से एक बार quick revision करते हैं. Previous class में हमने क्या learn किया था? We have learned about proper nouns and common nouns. So what is a proper noun? A particular name of a person, place, or animal is called proper noun. And what is a common noun? A common noun is a general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, that's what called common noun. And today we are going to discuss about collective nouns. Okay, in Hindi we say that for collective noun समूह वाचक संख्या. Okay, so what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, birds, or things. So a collective noun is the name of a group of people, एक लोगों का झुंड, animals का झुंड या birds का झुंड. So in that case we use collective noun. There are some of the examples given here. First is a flock of sheep. When more than 2 or 3 sheep come together, that we call as a flock of sheep. It means भेड़ों का एक झुंड. Okay. So in the same way, a bunch of bananas, bananas का एक गुच्छा, and an army of soldiers, सैनिकों का एक सेना, and a swarm of bees, मधुमक्खियों का झुंड. So in this way, for a group of people, group of animals, group of birds, we use collective noun. And there are some of the collective nouns given there in a table. Let me read for you. Look at your book and try to understand it. Okay, children? A herd of cattle. Cattle means a herd of cattle means मवेशियों का झुंड. The animals झुंड. So that's what a herd of cattle. A team of players. Team of players means when players come together in a group, we call that a team of players. Example, a cricket team. Okay. So खिलाड़ियों का एक team. Next, a class of students. छात्रों का एक वर्ग. So when in a class there are so many students sitting together, then we call it's a class of students. Next is a bundle of sticks. लाठी का एक bundle. When sticks we are binding together, so we call it as a bundle of sticks. A pride of lions, a crowd of people, लोगों का भीड़, a litter of puppies. Puppies is the babies of dogs. Okay, we call them as puppies. A library of books. When books are arranged in a group, we can call it as a library of books. पुस्तकों का एक पुस्तकालय. A bunch of keys, a bouquet of flowers. फूलों का गुलदस्ता. So I think you all understood what is a collective noun. When we call a group of people, group of animals, birds or things comes together. Okay. So there we use collective noun समूहवाचक संख्या. And you have to do an exercise in the page number 24. Page number 24 में आपके लिए exercise दिया गया है. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. Listen here, children. Here there are so many pictures are given here. Almost 10 pictures are given here. And what you have to do, you have to look at the pictures and you have to write the collective noun in the blanks given there. Okay. So the first one, ma'am will be reading for you, a dash of flowers. So it's a group of flowers. We say that a bouquet of flowers. Second is a dash of bananas. There's a group of bananas. So we call it as a bunch of bananas. Third is for the players group, what we say? Team. Very good. So a team of players. And the fourth is a crowd of people. When so many people come together, भीड़ बन जाता है. So we say in English, the collective noun is crowd. A crowd of people. And the fifth is sticks. For sticks, which collective noun we use? Bundle. A bundle of sticks. And next is a litter of puppies. And next is a pride of lions. For the group of lions, we say a pride of lions. A library of books. A class of students. And the last is a bunch of keys. So I think you all understood this chapter 4 clearly about the proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. This page number 24 is your homework. So students, along with this exercise, you have to write a letter also in your English second copy. This letter will be coming for your exam. Okay, children. So the topic of the letter is letter to principal for fee concession. What is the topic of the letter? Letter to principal for fee concession. Fee concession के लिए आपको principal को एक letter लिखना है. And children, whenever you are writing the letter, there is a format for writing the letter. वो लिखने का एक तरीका होता है, and you must follow the format when you are writing the letter. So ma'am will be explaining the format and how to do this. Listen carefully. So in the first line, okay, from the left side you will be starting the first line. You have to write from. From, then you have to put a comma. From means under that you have to write the address of yours. The one who is writing the letter. जो लेटर लिखता है उनका एड्रेस, उनके डिटेल्स फ्रॉम में लिखना है. सेकंड स्टेप यू हैव टू राइट टू एड्रेस. ओके, किसके लिए लिख रहे हो, that you have to mention that. So from, I'll show you one example. From Arnav, class 3rd A, Emmanuel Senior Secondary School, Tong. Okay, this is an example. And in 2 you have to write to the principal, Emmanuel Senior Secondary School, Tong. So then the next second step you have to write the to address. And after that, on the third step you have to write the subject. Subject is requesting for fee concession. Fee concession के लिए आप request कर रहे, so that you have to write. And at the fourth step you have to write respected madam. You have to address the person for whom you are writing the letter. किसके लिए आप लिखते हो उन्हें आपको address करना है. That comes in the fourth step. Respected madam or respected sir, whatsoever you can write. Now the fifth step is the body part of the letter. In the body part you have to write for what reason you are writing the letter. That explanation you will be writing in the body part. The next part है fifth part, वो उसका body part है, जो उसके अंदर आप explanation लिखोगे किस बात के लिए आप उस letter को लिख रहे हो. I will show you the example. With due respect, I beg to state that I am a student of your school with very good academic record. So with due respect, I am a student of your school with very good academic record. जो अच्छे academic record एक student हूँ मैं. My family's financial condition is unstable and not affordable to support my studies and pay school fees. And explaining the reason for not able to pay the fee. The student is writing here why he needs fee concession. My family's financial condition, उसका family का आर्थिक स्थिति is unstable, अस्थिर है, and not affordable to support my studies and pay school fees. इसलिए वो इनका स्कूल फी पे करने में असमर्थ है. And finally you have to request to grant the permission. So here I request you to provide a concession in school fee to pursue my studies further. And requesting that you have to consider me and you have to provide me the concession in my fee so that I may study further in the school. And the final step you have to write, thanking you, yours obediently, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, anything you can write there, and your name and signature, आपका नाम और signature. And the left side of the end of the letter you have to write the place and the date. Okay children, so I think you all understood this letter also. You have to write this letter in the English second copy, and along with the exercise of chapter 4, you have to send it as a homework. Okay children, so take care children, stay home, stay safe.